If your Chevy Silverado USB port is blank or unresponsive, don't rush to the dealer just yet. Studies show that over 80% of infotainment connectivity issues are actually caused by simple software hangs. Before you touch a single tool, we need to force a system reboot. Start by ruling out the basics like a bad cable or debris inside the port. These are the most common culprits that cause your screen to go completely dark. If the software reset fails, the problem might be a blown fuse or a loose connection. Most DIY fixes take 10 minutes, while a shop visit could cost several $100s. The price difference between a simple fuse and a complete module replacement is massive. For advanced troubleshooting, pull the infotainment fuse or disconnect the battery to force a hard system reset. Keep these basic tools handy to safely access your center console and wiring. Remember, always disconnect the battery before you attempt to touch any electrical connectors. If you're still seeing a blank screen, it is time to visit a professional, but try these steps first.